to another episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm using the same materials as last week, Clover Takumi needles and US 13, 9mm, and I'm using the size 6 Bernat Softy Chunky yarn. So today I'm going to just show you something really simple. It's just ribbing, which is knit 2, purl 2, and that is used to create like a stretchy effect. And it's used for like the ends of sleeves, for the neckline, sometimes on sweaters and things like that. And it's a really nice quick stitch to know. So basically you're just knitting 2 and then you're going to purl 2. So I'm going to show you. So you're just going in, I'm just going to knit 2 stitches, and then you're going to just purl 2. It's a very simple pattern, very repetitive. It's a nice mindless stitch to do if you're watching something, you just want to make something very simple. It's a good starter stitch. It's basically just doing the knit and purl. Have the same swatch as last week, so we'll have bobbles underneath and then we'll have ribbing across. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to continue doing it. So knit 2, and then bring your yarn to the front and you're going to purl 2. So purl and purl, knit, knit, purl, purl, knit, knit. Start to see the pattern. So it's knit 2, so you can start to see the knit 2, purl 2 forming here. You see that? So you have knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. So it gives a really nice effect when you're doing scarves, you're doing the ends of hats, or if you're doing like a neckline on a sweater or the sleeves. So it's a really nice simple stitch to know. So I hope you liked that quick video. Please do not forget to share and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.